Woodpeckers Versa-Fence replaces the half-inch laminated plywood fence face of your SawStop T-Glide fence with a 7/8 inch hardcoat-anodized extrusion. It's longer, straighter, smoother, tougher, and more versatile than the stock fence face, and it installs in just minutes. Depending on temperature, humidity, and installation, the plywood fence face can vary dramatically. Woodpecker's extruded aluminum Versa-Fence is much more dimensionally stable and reacts less to differences in fastener torque. The hardcoat anodized surface includes PTFE, commonly known as Teflon, making the surface extremely low friction. Versa-Fence is available in 36 and 48-inch lengths for the SawStop PCS. Those will also fit the SawStop Contractor Saw CNS. And there's a 48-inch version for the SawStop ICS. Both 48-inch versions include a material support plate, which fits on the front to support your stock on the infeed side. Or you can move it to the back and support your stock after the cut on the outfeed side. The T-slot in the top of the Versa-Fence is just the right size to accommodate the JessEm Clear-Cut Stock Guides. No drilling or tapping required, just slide the Clear-Cut Stock Guides in and start cutting. If you prefer traditional featherboards, there's an optional featherboard bracket to mount Woodpecker's variable pressure featherboards. And if you're always searching for your push stick, measuring tools, pencil, and so forth, there's an optional tool tray that mounts to the back side of your fence to keep your essentials corralled. In those rare situations when you need your rip fence on the left side of the saw, it takes just minutes to swap the face from the left side to the right side of your fence. Like all Woodpeckers products, the Versa-Fence Upgrade is built right here in Strongsville, Ohio, sold and shipped direct from the manufacturer to you. For a fence that's straighter, smoother, tougher, and more versatile, replace the stock fence face on your SawStop T-Glide fence with Woodpeckers Versa-Fence. Order yours today.